Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up? So I'm here to do a quick little try and haul for you guys today. Haven't done one in a while. I know you guys have got so accustomed to lookbooks, which I have done no lookbooks since 2019 has started, and I know I really want to start back with those, but I'm not gonna make any promises. I'm not one to really make promises. I just kind of try to work towards things. So I'm working on that. So when you get them, you get them. Today I'm gonna be doing a quick try-on haul, and all the pieces that I'm showing in this little mini try-on haul is from Daze Boutique. They're Daze at Daze Boutique on Instagram, and they also have a website, so I'll link both. All the pieces that I'm going to be showing you guys, I'll be sure to link them in the description as well. So if you're interested, you can go ahead and get them for yourself. So the first piece I want to show you guys is actually a pair of leggings from them, and it's the Motion leggings, and it's in the color wine. I got size small. Now I love a little detailing, like for instance, like the zipper on the back here, which I doubt I'm going to be using. It has pockets, which I'm definitely going to be using, which I feel like they're convenient because you can go ahead and put your phone in here. You know, you can put your phone in there. That's very good because I feel like when you're on like the bicycle or the stair mill or the treadmill, it's very convenient. You can just pop your phone in there, have your headphones in, and you're good to go. So really love these. They're very comfortable, very flexible, and the quality, it feels really good, feels very durable. So I can't wait to wear this, which I feel like my next fitness video, you're actually going to be seeing me in this pair of leggings. So yeah. The next pair of leggings I want to show you guys is the Peaches leggings. You guys saw this in my previous fitness video. If you did not see that killer legs day workout routine, you need to go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna link it down below so you can check it out. But I had this leggings on and it was just so comfortable, so comfortable. I got it in size small. Everything is in size small, by the way. This one didn't come with any pockets, but I really love the fabric. It's really soft and very comfy, just really comfy. So I love that. And the clips that I'm showing you guys is me actually working out. You know, I thought that since I already wore it, I could just use those clips and show you. The next bottom I want to move on and show you guys is this sweatpants. This is the Cozy Love Story sweatpants, and it's in the color royal blue. So this is just a really chill type of fit. It says love on the side right here, all the way down to the ankles. It has, you know, the little drawstring so you can adjust it to your waist, and it's just very comfy. The material is very soft. It's very warm, so if you're in a chilly area, I feel like this is definitely a go-to sweatpants. It's really nice. So this is just a comfy fit. For the fourth piece, I have this bodysuit here. I don't remember the name of this bodysuit, but it's just a simple bodysuit. The material is very comfortable, very stretchy, and it's form-fitting. So I feel like that's really cool. It's in size small, and it just has these little button details. You know, I feel like this is really cool to just pair with a nice pair of jeans. You know, anything you feel comfy with, you know. It's just that type of vibe. If you're going shopping, if you're going to the movies, this is one of those little simple, nice fit. All right, so the next piece I'm gonna move on to, I feel like it's definitely one of my favorite pieces. This is the Fine Wine set, and it's in the color wine. I feel like it's form-fitting but not suffocating. You know, sometimes you wear stuff and you feel like you're suffocating. Like, nah, this is very comfortable. The material is very comfortable, but form-fitting at the same time. So I really like that. It's very soft. It's really nice, and it goes all the way down to the ankles, and it hugs your body like right throughout, like, yeah. And the top is just a regular little outer back, you know, has that little cutout in the back and stuff. It's just really nice. I feel like this is perfect to wear out on a date night. So for my next piece, which is another favorite, and this is my final piece, I believe. Yes. So that's why I said mini try on haul. This is the electric set. Yeah, this is the electric set, and it's in the size small. It is neon yellow. It's neon yellow, but guys, it's so washed out on camera. It's showing up so washed out because of my lighting and stuff. But listen, this is the type of fit you wear when you want to make a statement, when you want to just you want everybody head to turn. Like, I feel like it's perfect to wear to like a concert, to like an event where you just want to be like bold, you know, and still be comfortable. This fit is very comfortable, you know, it's very comfortable, so I love that. You can still be very fashionable but comfortable at the same time. You know, sometimes with some fashionable pieces you have to be like, oh, suck it in. No, this is like, I'm cool, you know. Yeah, so I feel like you can definitely pair this with sneakers, and if you want to dress it up a bit, you can do heels too. That's pretty much it. I didn't want to drag this video out too much. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see more try on hauls. Let me know if you want to, you know, summer is coming up, time is moving really fast, believe it or not. So I don't know, let me know what kind of hauls you want to see, if you want to see more try on hauls, and lookbooks too. Suggest the type of lookbooks you want to see, because as I said, I'm working on that. So yeah, I'm really here for the suggestions, so just comment that down below. Let's talk. Yeah, but if you're not yet subscribed, what are you doing? Go ahead and do that right now. Yes, and I have a vlog dropping tomorrow on my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. Yes, so stay tuned, check that out. If you're not subscribed to PETITE-SUE TV, go ahead and do so. Support your girl. Really appreciate it. So that's it for today. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.